There are currently millions with HIV and about zero cure. HIV, or human immunodeficiency virus, is a virus, and so is hepatitis C, or the flu I just had a few months ago. So what makes HIV so different? A virus is essentially a message in a bottle. The message may be in the forms of DNA or RNA. After entering our cells, some viruses, RNA directly hijacks protein synthesis process in the ribosomes to make more viruses. Hey you, get out of the way! Get out of the way! Don't do that! Translate this instead.
Why?
Just do it!
Okay.
Others contain a special protein called reverse transcriptase that, for the sake of simplicity, turns their RNA into DNA, then integrates, incorporates it into the host cell's DNA. These are called retroviruses. Through normal transcription and translation, this time with viral mRNA, creates more viruses. In fact, scientists estimate that about 5 to 8% of our human genome is actually from ancient retroviruses. So as much as we hate it, we are part virus. But how do we fight off these attackers? When virus manages to enter the cell, Trojan horse style, the body realizes its huge mistake, sending in enzymes to break it down. Then presents its corpse on the MHC2 protein to warn other immune cells, especially helper T cells, of potential invasion. Helper T cells then activate antibody-making factories or B cells to tank, neutralize, or kill viruses. So, helper T cell informed us of the intruding virus. Stop making antibodies, no! Through transcription of DNA into mRNA and translation in the ribosomes, antibodies are made, packaged in the Golgi apparatus, ready to be released to turn the tides of battle. But HIV is really smart. It specifically targets our CD4 plus cells, or our helper T cells, which is important for signaling to other immune cells. For the first few weeks, you experience flu-like symptoms as your CD4 cell count drops dramatically. Worst flu ever. Then your body launches a counterattack, and for a while, it wins. Then HIV goes into hiding and the battle stalemates for about 10 years. Once your CD4 cell count drops below 200 per microliter, you have developed AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Then it's the opportunistic diseases and your body's inability to fight them that kills you. But humans have cured malaria and hepatitis C. What makes HIV so hard to cure? While we do have antiretroviral drugs to suppress its infection and replication rate, it must be taken daily, otherwise its mutation rate is too quick to handle. A sterilizing cure has only been done once in 2008 by transplanting bone marrow from an immune person, but we still to this day do not know how it worked. And the procedure is super risky. Perhaps genetic editing holds the key to a cure by mutating our CCR5 protein to stop cells from being infected. And then perhaps one day HIV will be a virus of history.